Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I am going to talk about how you can create your Facebook page in few seconds. So simply, first of all, what you have to do, open your Facebook. Now click on menu and you can see pages option. Simply tap on it, then click on create. Now you can see create a new page option. Simply on this option and click on next. Now you need to add your page name. For example, I add Ali Official. When you add your page name, click on next. Now you can see a thing search for categories. Now guys, you can see search for categories. You can keep any category for your page, like I keeping this category wholesale and supply store. Now you can see create option. Simply tap on it. Now guys, you can see general option bio. So I simply write wholesale and shopping at best price, order now. So second is contact. You can add any your website, TikTok, YouTube in this option. And the second option is email. You can write your email. And the third is phone number. You can write your phone number. And the fourth is location. You can write your address. Zip code is optional. Now you can see three options: no hours available, always open, and standard hours. Simply on this option always open. Now click on the next button. Now this is the final step. You can create your profile picture and banner. When you select your profile picture and banner, simply click on the next. Now click on next. Now click on the done. Now you can see your page will be created.